Today, tomorrow, every day, Eigo Day. Hello! Welcome back to Book and Snack. It's Nick with Eigo Day. Here, we read a book and enjoy a snack together. ようこそ、英語での Book and Snack です。こちらでおやつをおいしく食べながら英語の本を聞きましょう。Today is the last day of our requests. Again, thank you, Masahide. We have another good book. 今日もう一つの素晴らしい本。Masahide 君のリクエストです。ありがとう、Masahide. But this is the last one. 今日は最後のリクエストです。あなたもリクエストがあれば下に教えてくださいね。Alright. So this book is called Little Excavator by Anna Dewdney. Little Excavator. That must be him. Here come the big rigs rolling down the street. Thumpa, thumpa, bumpa, bumpa, beep, beep, beep. Can you see little E ready on the spot? Here's the little excavator working on the lot. Wham! Goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Rumble, rumble, crumble, crumble, fall, fall, fall. Little E is busy. He goes bam, bam, bam. Uh-oh, little excavator. Now you're in a jam. Grrrr goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Pusha, pusha, smusha, smusha, smash, smash, smash. Little E tries lifting up some junk, junk, junk. But there goes little excavator over with the clunk. Goes the dump truck with a load to lug. Thunka, thunka, clunka, clunka, chug, chug, chug. Little E just wants to lug all day, day, day. Look out, little excavator. Don't get in the way. Oh no, he's in the way. Be careful. Brrrr. Goes the backhoe, digging in the dirt. Clang, clang, bang, bang. Work, work, work. Little E is helping too. He can dig, dig, dig. Not yet, little excavator. Someday when you are big. Rrrr goes the tall crane, rising to the sky. Whoosh, whoosh, swoosh, swoosh. High, high, high. Little E is stretching. He gets tall, tall, tall. Sorry, little excavator, you're too small. Now there's one last job and the busy day is done. What's the job? But no big rig can do it. Not a single one. Do you see the tree? Tree goes over there, I think. Everybody tries it, and it's much too tight. Look, they're too big. Oh, he's got a smile on his face. But can it be? Little E fits just right. He's got the tree. Good job, little excavator. Time to take a bow. Look at that. He dug the hole, put the tree in, and he took a bow. there's work to do just for you here and now. You may be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Go, go, go. The end. Wow. That's a good book, saying that even if you're small still, you can do good things. All right, so today's challenge question. This is a hard one. What color was the crane? The crane is the really tall one, right? It had the hook and it pulls stuff up. That's the crane. And what color was the crane? Do you remember? 3, 2, 1. There's the crane. What color is it? It's red. It's red. Did you say red? Good. Very good. Well, it's snack time again. Let's see what we got today. Pretzels again. But this time it's green. I hope it's not wasabi flavor. I like wasabi, but only on sushi. Raw wasabi's a little too spicy. Or maybe it's melon. And I have to eat 3 of them? What is it? Do you know? What is it? Huh? Oh, not bad. Beans flavor. Edamame no aji da ne. Is that what you said? Did you say the beans flavor? This is okay. Good. Well, that's all for Book and Snack today. I hope you enjoyed those 3 books over the last 3 days. Today, yesterday, and the day before. Thank you very much again, Masahide. Anybody else, if you have a request, please write it down below. And if there's any way to get it to me, I'll read anything you guys want to hear. Okay? Thank you very much. I'll see you again. I hope it's tomorrow on Book and Snack. Goodbye.
本って本当にいいですね。今日の本はどうでしたか？みんなのやつは何でしたか？コメントで教えてください。登録といいねのボタンをお願いします。コメントも Please, please, please. Okay, see you tomorrow. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. And one more special. Goodbye.